So today, guys, is Operation Pack the Kitchen Up, because this is the start of our kitchen renovations. So we are having all of this taken out this weekend, and the new kitchen is coming on Tuesday. Today is Friday, and I am packing up. I've got these boxes from IKEA, and I'm literally just going to go through each cupboard and pack stuff away. And then I also need to sort the utility out so that we can use that as a little mini kitchen for the time being. So I've done as much packing as I can in here, because the other bits that I've got left are like, I can pack away some of these, but like glasses, which we're going to need, and then the plates and things like cutlery. So what I'm about to do is I'm just going to finish doing the bits I can here, because I've got some cleaning stuff in the utility. And the next job is to sort this out so that I can make this into our mini kitchen. Please ignore all this mess in here, like it's just awful. But yeah, a lot of this I'm going to pack away and just utilise this space as much as I've got and give it a good clean. And then we'll be done the first step of getting ready for the kitchen. Okay, so I've done everything I can in here at the moment. I'll just give you a little tour of our new utility kitchen. Ignore this is obviously when we were going to paint the cupboards. I'm really loving that colour, and I'm hoping my new kitchen cupboard is going to be like that. But yeah, we've got the door back on, so that is all that matters. I've actually got some just like plates and cutlery in there. And then on here, I've just got like some bits for breakfast. I need to get some more cereal, some glasses and cups for, like, I need to put Will's coffee machine here. Toaster so they can have toast at breakfast. A kettle. Got my little sink area. And then I've got here just a few cleaning bits I'm going to need and washing powder, because obviously my washing machine is in here. And then I do have this cupboard clear. I've just got some tea, coffee and sugar there because Will doesn't use them often. Sometimes he has a cup of tea, but he normally has his coffee, which I'll put his machine there. But I do have this space, and I've got some glasses, and I thought I could put them at the back of there because I don't want to pack them up because I don't actually have any bubble wrap, so I'm just going to have to store them in there so they don't get smashed. But yeah, I've got a little bit of extra space. So this is our little bit at the moment. I haven't actually thought about where we're going to put the mini fridge because I only have 2 plug sockets over there in this utility, so that's a little bit of a problem. Yeah, that is me for today. I'm going to end the video here because I'm absolutely exhausted, and yeah, I just want to sit down now. I've got the kids home from school, so I'm going to chill out and get ready for tomorrow when the kitchen is taken out. And yeah, I'll pick the camera up again then. So today is day 2 of the kitchen makeover. Here is the kitchen as we found it when we moved in. Everything has been emptied. As you can see, it feels so weird like the day we moved in. But yeah, we are all packed up and ready for the people coming round who this kitchen is going to. So yeah, I thought I would do a little before, and yeah, I will film as we go along. But the next shot you might see of this is either us taking the kitchen out or the kitchen completely gone. So this is the kitchen, all taken out and ready to be popped in the van. And then we're just gonna tidy up and we'll start again tomorrow. So we now have an empty kitchen. I thought I would just pop on, do a little update because today is the day that the kitchen, the new one, is getting delivered and we're going to start putting it together to put it in here and make our new kitchen. So the kitchen was taken out and right now Will is finishing off some painting. Just before it arrives. I think actually this could possibly be wet. We can see the darker bits. He's also done the ceiling. We decided to go with the colour, so I think you can see here. We've got like the white that was behind the cupboards, and then here is the white that we're having. But that white that we have had there is called Timeless by Dulux, and I have this in my living room. It's not like pure brilliant white like that. It's like a nice, I like to call it a chalky white because it's like darker than a white, and it also has the matte finish, but it's just so nice. We really love it. I'll show you over this side so you can sort of see the colour of the white. So we've just done that all over for now because we're obviously going to have kitchen cupboards here, which are like a creamy grey. They're called sandstone. I'm actually nervous to see what they look like because I've only seen them the once in store. And then here we will have a tile. So we haven't picked the tile yet just because we need to like match it with the kitchen because we're having a white worktop as well. We're going to have matte black cooker, extractor fan and hob. And then I can't remember what colour sink. Oh, we've got a white butler sink, so that will obviously go here as well. The tiles actually need taken off of this window here. And I have also ordered our new blind just to go in here, a plain white one. So yeah, this is a little before we start the work. I think I've just seen the van arriving and the kitchen is here, so I'm excited. But yeah,